Okay, this is the Pratt Knot, or the Shelby, or the Milanese knot. Milanese sounds more regal and chic. Normally, on a Windsor, a four-in-hand, or a full Windsor, we start with the wider end on the right. So for the purpose of the Pratt Knot, we're going to switch it around. We're going to have the tie upside down. Okay, upside down, back to front. The wide end on the left, the narrow end on the right. So again, we give ourselves about this much. Thin end over thick end. You bring the thick end through. So you're almost tying it back to front. The thick end then goes across the front. Up and over the back. And then down. So apparently this is a quick way for a tailor to stick the tie on you. A nice, crisp, clean knot. So basically a reverse half Windsor. Again, stick this through to keep that secure. Turn them over. Turn over your collar. And there you have it. A Pratt Knot, a Shelby, or a Milanese. Milanese sounds better, doesn't it?